To begin your application journey, simply visit www.met.edu/pgdm. Click Apply Now button. Fill in your full name, mobile number, email ID, select your program, state, city, and enter the CAPTCHA. Now click Register Now. These are the few steps required for form completion. And go to Step 1 to get started. Step 1. Enter your personal details that includes nationality, middle name, gender, and date of birth. Step 2 is for application fee payment of 2,300 rupees. Step 3 is for guardian and address details. Add parent or guardian details, communication address, and present address. Step 4 is for academic qualifications. Fill in your academic records, 10th, 12th or diploma, graduation, entrance exam scores, and upload your documents, a photo, and signature. Step 5 is for work experience. If you've got professional experience, you can add that here too. Double-check all your entries. Don't worry, your data is saved and editable before final submission.
After successfully submitting your application, you will receive details about your group discussion, personal interview via email, SMS, WhatsApp.